everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are looking for a property in a prime location and just a quick drive to Clark International Airport, this property is for you. And when I say 15-minute drive, legit yun guys, because 15-minute drive lang siya going to Clark International Airport in Clark Freeport Zone, a 10-minute drive to Koreatown, 50-minute drive din siya going to SM City Clark, and 20-minute drive to other major business establishment, an hour drive to Subic. So you'll know that talagang yung location niya is really ideal for those who love to travel and kailangan na malapit yung airport sa kanila at gusto rin naman na malapit din sa Clark Freeport Zone. Well, join us for another house tour, but please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blooming Properties, Pampanga. Baba lang ako. It has a lot area of 165 square meters lot area at ang floor area po natin ay 280 square meters. Parking for 2, manual ang gate natin. Ito po. Mapapansin nyo elevated siya. Dali, nakita ko lang bigla to. Marami pa pong tinatapos, kaya may mapapansin pa kayo mga scaffolding sa loob. Pero, you know, once na ano naman to, feeling ko kapag na post na to, wala na yung mga yon. Dito ang ating landscape garden. So, tinatapos pa yan, but you also have your plants na. Elevated po ang ating property. Pero kahit na elevated siya, flood-free community po itong ating subdivision. And also, it has a security service, 24-hour security service din po. And I mentioned na, ayun nga, located in a prime location near Clark International Airport. Pagpasok natin, tignan mo ang taas ng property, oh. Hindi ko pa siya na-mention yung facade natin. Pero the color kasi, so habang, ayan, i-plain na lang natin yung mga montage dyan. Very warm ang color natin. More on beige, brown, at modern na modern yung design ng ating property from the outside. Pagpasok naman natin, diba? Pwede ka maglagay dito ng coffee table. So it's like another area. You can also put cabinets here for your shoes kung ayaw mong ipapasok sa loob. Perfect din to. Meron ka rin naman space for your plants. May plant box tayo dyan. Pwede mong dagdagan. You can also add more plants kung gusto mo ng mga pots. Pwede kang magdagdag dyan. Very versatile yung portion na to. Kasi, yun nga, you can put, or even yung mga iba na ang mga fur babies nila, yung home nila nasa may labas. Ang perfect ng spot na to for your fur babies din. And also cabinets. Yan. Perfect space. Spacious. Have ample space for anything that you want to put here. Meron kang window dyan sa taas. Makikita mo yan yung accent dyan kasi yan ay banda sa may staircase. So you have a reflective clear glass window. Again, ang reflective ay, nabulol si Ati. Reflective clear glass window, guys. Aside from its aesthetic, ang function din yan is that hindi agad-agad magpapass through yung ray of sun. Kaya, nagpa-bounce lang. So, nag-help siya to cool down yung temperature ng property sa loob. Hindi mainit. Alright? Paglakad natin dito, look at your massive door. Ang laki niya, oh. No? So, that is your door. Pakita ko lang yung parking natin. Parking for 2. Parking for 2, meron ka ring window dyan. Reflective clear glass window din yan. Aside from aesthetic, again, perfect yan para sa mga sa init sa labas, lalo na nasa Pilipinas tayo. You have a fully covered parking. Maganda rin yung ilaw natin. Ang ating wall, you have groove lines here. You have faucet. And pagdating mo dito, yan, plain painted wall, but you can see, napakalinis tignan ng iyong parking. Again, smart lock pala tayo. So, we have password, meron din yung camera, card, and I think fingerprint meron din siya. Meron din siya. And mapapansin nyo naman yung ating door. Hindi lang siya basta door. Meron ka pang black handle dito na napakalaki. Kaya pasok na tayo para sa interior. Ang cute ng screen ng door. Parang meron pa siyang charge something. Okay, you can see your door, massive siya, and then pivot siya. When you say pivot, yung connection niya hindi siya hinges. Ito kasi, mas madali siyang i-maneuver. Para just in case na may mga malalaking gamit kayong gustong ipasok, hindi kayo mahihirapan. And, ayun lang siya. Maganda lang talaga siyang tignan. So, this is your, tignan mo naman kung gaano kalawak dito. Now, if ayaw mo maglagay doon ng cabinets, which is I think mas maganda talaga doon maglagay ng for your shoes sa labas, pwede ka naman maglagay dito. Or, you know, dito sa may loob. Pero mas maganda siya sa labas. Okay, pagpasok mo, una mo mapapansin yung stairs. Ang ganda kasi ng mga ambient lights niya. Nag-emphasize ng height ng ating property. High ceiling, and then yan, yung living area, high ceiling din. Paglakad mo, halina pa kayo pagpasok mo. Okay, before kayo mag-type, yung location ng mga yan, movable lahat yan. So you can move your sofa there, pwede mo i-move dito, yung iyong, for your TV, I think pwede dito yan, or doon, you know, movable yan. There. Ang ganda ng center table natin. I think this is Nara, and that is solid wood. Ang maganda pa dito, yung ating under your stairwell. Meron kang, someday put some succulent plants dyan, or books, or kung ayaw mo yung fur baby mo doon sa labas, diba, yung minsan gusto nila yung may bahay sila doon, pwede dito. Diba? Or pwede mo naman din naman tong palitan ng pull out if you want. Like, kung halimbawa nasa sayo na tong property, you can change. Very versatile po yung design ng ating property. Yavan, ang cute lang nito, hindi ko pwedeng hindi isabihin. Ang ganda ng ating accent wall dyan. At tignan mo naman yung space as you walk going to your dining area. Inaayos pa kasi nila yung mga line ng kuryente dahil kakalagay lang nga ng ibang aircons. So I think ito aayusin din. Pero ang ganda nito, kapag ito nakasindi, parang laso ni Wonder Woman. No? Ang cute. And of course, your solid wood na Nara. Ang ganda. 8-seater dining set. At siya, maluwang. Pag umupo ka, ay, hindi, baka, pala sila, naka-cling wrap. Ay, hindi ko maupuan. Pero ang comfy niya, lalo na yung height nitong sa backseat, ay yung, ang tawag dito, tama ba? Yung sandalan. Ang comfy niya. Tignan mo yung space here, tsaka dito. Pwede mong i-move yan. Hindi ka, diba? Hindi ka basta-basta mababangga banda dito. Kaya napakaganda ng space niya. Aircon is included. Ito yung kaninang paglabas mo, kanina may scaffolding pa dyan. But itong daan na to, going to the passageway that I've shown you earlier, yung diretso. So, doon yung daan dyan. This one, pwede kang maglagay ng plant dito. Or kung gusto mo maglagay ng additional cabinet here for your pantry, pwede rin. Or if you want dispenser, yan, pwede rin dyan. Sparkling white quartz countertop po ang ating countertop. Very pretty ang splashboard natin. It looks textured, but very easy to clean. Cooktop and range hood included. You have your modular cabinets. Yan, ang luwang lang yung preparation area. And you also have your breakfast nook or your preparation island. Pwede siyang as it is na island. Pero if you want to put stools, pwede rin. And as you can see, you still have ample space. Pwede mong iusog pa to doon. Pwede nga hindi mo na iusog kasi okay yung space niya. Pag naglagay ka pa ng siguro 3 or 4 na stools. Ang haba niya. Pendant lights. Again, white quartz countertop. And sa loob dito, meron tayong mga cabinets dito ha. Ang ganda rin ng space in between the island and the kitchen. So if doon kayo magpupwesto, sir, makita mo siya dito. Sobrang luwang niya pa. May cabinets ka dito. May cabinets ka rin dito. And you have a modern design sink. It's a, hindi nakalimutan ko yung measurement niya, but hindi siya double bowl na sink, pero mahaba siya and malaki. You have a basin. You have your drainer, and then, ayan. See? I-on ko sana, kaya lang baka magkamali ako ng pindot. Alright. Ito pa yung mga cabinets natin. Meron ka pang pwedeng ilagay doon sa taas. Sobra, may socket. Sobrang linis lang. Tignan nyo ating area. Side by side or your two-door refrigerator, that is also included. And dito rin sa yung first floor or your ground floor, nandito ang isang full bath. Alright. This is your, oh, it's a smart toilet. First full bath sa yung ground floor. Ay, ang luwang. Ang luwang ng iyong shower area. Hindi ka bang sumayaw-sayaw while you're taking a bath? And then, metal gun color na stainless steel shower set. Tempered glass partition. Smart ang iyong toilet. Andito yung kanyang, i-connect pa siya dito sa side. Ang kanyang remote. Floor to ceiling tiles. Makita mo yung light natin. Natural light lang tayo para maliwanag lang. And you have a slope type sink. There. That is your sink. Okay. Let's go. Ang luwang ng CR, no? Siyempre, meron ka ng bedroom sa ground floor para for your elderly. Ayan. Or pag gusto mo na dito ka na lang sa ground floor, you have your bed. This is a queen size bed. Mapapansin nyo, maluwang, di ba? Yung space, nakakagalaw ka pa. You have your built-in cabinet. Ang cute naman ng ating built-in cabinet. Sa harap niyan, meron ka ng TV console dyan. Dito sa side na to, pwede ka pang maglagay ng study room or ano ba to? Study area or vanity mirror, vanity dresser. Pwede. So this is your ground floor bedroom. Itong door na to, ay, ang arte naman itong may ganito pa siyang. Ay, cabinet pala. Hindi ko yun napansin kanina. So, this is your breaker. Nakakonsilya, may socket ka pa dyan. And this door goes to your dirty kitchen, maid's quarter. Labas tayo. You have your tank. There. Ano pa ba? This one. Ay, ito yung window nung kaninang room. Wash area. You have your faucet, you have your socket, your dirty kitchen or your laundry area, pwede rin dito. Pwede ka mag-add ng stove, meron ka na rin dyan, socket. A regular type stainless steel sink. And what I love about this, itong mesh. At least pag nagluluto ka, hindi kasi siya fully covered ng cement. So, diba, yung usok, yung amoy, ayan, meron kang ventilation. Ang presko pala dito sa likod. Sobrang presko. Ayan. Kung saan yung, sa may right ninyo, guys, kung kayo nanonood, nandyan yung scaffolding. So, hindi tayo makakapunta dyan. Dito muna tayo. Ay, nakalock pa siya. Oo, nakalock pa yung ating, hindi ko masilip, yung ating maid's quarter. Eto, yung full bath natin, shower area. Uy, maluwang din siya. Pero hindi na ako papasok kasi basa. Shower area, toilet, and you have your sink. Alright? Okay, pasok na tayo ulit. Ngayon, akyat na tayo. I just want to show you from your view yung ganda dito. Ang ganda, no? Tignan mo yung stairs. Alam mo yung sa mga pinikula na, halimbawa, bababa yung anak mo, magpo-prom siya. Oh, pasabog yung pagbaba niya. Pang pageant yung stairs natin. Tapos plus yung lights pa. Akyat na tayo. Let's look at the second floor. Favorite ko talaga yung view ng stairwell natin. Okay. Pakita ko yung ating window. Yung sa taas and this one. Yun yung may reflective flare glass window kanina. And then you can put curtain. You can put blinds. Depende sa taste mo. Pero kahit alin sa dalawa, maganda yung tignan. Fluted panel. And ayan, meron tayong mga lights dyan. Your chandelier. Cement wall finish with groove lines. Fluted panels again. Alam mo yung steps niya talaga pang pageant, hindi siya mataas. Tapos pasok na pasok yung paa mo pag nag-ano ka sa stairs. That is so nice. Okay. Pagdating mo dito, sa ating second floor, all rooms na po tayo. And ang tatlong rooms natin dito, All our rooms has their own ensuite toilet and bath. Paglakad natin, dito tayo. May papakita lang akong view. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? You have a view of your, living area, open to below. Very nice. Okay? Okay, patalastas ulit. Okay, your first bedroom. Wow, ang luwang. Queen size bed. Built-in cabinet. Meron kang hanging drawers na merong parehong socket. You have, of course, you also have your bed frame, yung headboard mo or your accent board mo dito sa yung headboard. Ay, huy, laging. 7th wall finish lang siya with the groove lines. Dito tayo, TV console. Hay, ang luwang pa dito. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng lazy couch or kung ito ayaw mo siya, pwede mong lagyan pa dito ng table. Ang nice naman niya. That's so nice. At dahil nga meron kang ensuite toilet and bath, nandito ang yung bathroom. Woo, full size or full bath. You have your slope design sink, shower area na mas spacious, metal gun color na shower set, rain shower, hand shower. You also have your what do you call this? Spray. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina sa may bandang door. Tignan mo dito. Diba? So, hindi ka doon maglalagay pala ng study area or vanity mirror. Dito. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang dami pang malalagay. Sasara ko ha, oh. Diba? Ang luwang niya pa. Dahil dyan, lilipat na tayo. Makita niyo rin yung kasunod. Ito yung kasunod. Hala, mas maluwang to. Oh, kita mo dyan. Pagdating mo dito. So, dito ka maglagay ng additional table if you want for your study table or vanity area. Pwede dyan. Same design ng built-in cabinet. Look at that space. Queen size bed. This is queen. Oh no, this is twin. This is twin size bed or a full bed. There, your headboard. Ang ganda ng color. Dark gray. TV console. Tignan mo yung space doon. Look at that space. Pwede ka maglagay pa ng drawers for your shoes. This one, you can mount your TV here. Pwede mo rin ipatong kung ayaw mo nakamount. Ang luwang talaga. Gusto ko tong room na to. Pwede ka maglagay ng mga lamps na nakatayo or pwede ka maglagay ng plant dito. Pwede. You have a wide window naman dito. Kung ayaw mo mag-aircon, pwede mo itong buksan. And of course, meron kang ensuite toilet and bath. Same design nung kanina. Mirror, slope design, sink. Same color, same design, tempered glass partition, even your shower set, pareho. Floor to ceiling tiles, pareho. Naligaw ako. Dito pala tayo lalabas. Okay. Next. So, pag akyat mo, pagpunta mo sa left, ito na yung master's bedroom. This is your master's bedroom. You can add another bed here or a couch, or you can make this like a entertainment area. Pwede mo itong gawing entertainment area or a coffee area, reading area. Pwede ka maglagay ng gym dito. Yung mga gamit mo, like treadmill, kasi may saksakan ka dyan. Pwede ka maglagay dito. You have a clerestory window. Very important for me ang clerestory window because yung natural light pag umaga, yan, hindi mo kailangan magsindi ng ilaw, diretso yung sunlight dyan. Pagkatapos, dahil maluwang siya, kuha pa rin niya yung buong maliilawan pa rin niya yung buong space natin. Look at that. King size bed. Your TV. And, alright, this can be your office. Pwede rin namang lang to, console lang, drawers, books, frames, pwede dyan. If you want, kung gusto mo ng dalawang TV, sige, lagay mo dito yung isang TV doon. pwede pa siya. Kasi maluwang, oh. Diba? That is so nice. Symmetric din yung ating hanging drawers by your king-size bed. You have fluted panels and you also have LED lamps or LED wall lamps. This door goes to your balcony, Sir Arcius. Kung nanonood ka, ito na po yung balcony. I'm so sorry. Alam mo, kinol na talagang attention ko nung nakalimutan kong pakita yung isang balcony. Ito po, may mga inaayos pa, guys. This is... Okay, so they're going to put, I think, a artificial grass because this is artificial grass. Maglalagay sila dito. Diba? Ang luwang, no? Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table. Paglagay ng artificial grass, you can put swing. Or yun nga, pwede rin tong parang bench lang dito, just for view. Tignan mo, ito yung yung window mo kanina. Clear story window, which is also a reflective clear glass window. Very important na bukod sa napapasok niya yung ilaw, pumapasok yung liwanag ng araw, yung ray of the sun naman, hindi naman siya basta-basta papasok yung init dahil sa reflective clear glass window. Okay, I think that's it. Balik na tayo sa ating ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 2-story modern design home located in a prime location, which is just a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport and other major business establishment. This property has a 165 square meters lot area at ang kanyang floor area ay 280 square meters floor area. What I love the property, una-una dyan yung location. 15-minute drive nga to Clark International Airport. Also, 15-minute drive din to SM City Clark, Clark Freeport Zone, an hour drive to Subic, 20-minute drive to yung mismong city proper downtown. And yes, 20-minute drive din sa universities, malls, hospitals, and mga known hotels. And yung mga videos ng mga restaurants na nakikita nyo na trending sa TikTok, guys, malapit siya dito. Some are 10-minute, 15-minute lang, malapit po siya dito sa ating location. About the property naman, what I love about it, of course, yung kanyang architectural design. Nakita nyo naman, pag umpisa pa lang sa video natin, elevated siya. Flood-free community po ito, but I just, in my opinion lang ha, but I don't know sa inyo, kayo na lang yung mag-comment sa, and please comment nicely naman. Yung mga elevated kasi, mas grand talagang tignan. Yung mga property na yun nga, elevated sila pag ginawa nila yung architectural design. Yung space, pagpasok mo, kita mo naman yung space from your living area to your dining area to your kitchen. Hindi siya sikip-sikip or hindi siya cluttered. And, ayun nga, yung ating mga furnitures din. So, meron na tayong mga furnitures, meron na rin tayong mga appliances. Kaya move-in ready na rin po ito. Actually, may mga finishing pa, but you know, these are just minor things na lang na linalagay, like yung mga accent natin sa mga balcony, yon. Kasi all yung mga fixtures natin and your aircons are already here na. So yung mga konting linis na lang po dyan. And for sure, pag post nito sa YouTube, done na po lahat yan. Kaya yeah, I could really declare that this is already move-in ready. Kaya pwedeng-pwede na po kayong lumipat. I love what other things that I love, yung ating mga rooms, spacious, and yung sa first floor na bedroom natin, you know, pwede ka nang tumanda sa property. Yun naman mga rooms natin sa second floor, all 3 rooms has their own ensuite toilet and bath at napaka-spacious din po ng ating mga rooms. Ayun, ano pa ba ang highlight nitong property natin? Yung the maid's quarter also sa likod, they have their own privacy. And also, you have your preparation area din sa labas. Yung mesh doon sa likod, gustong-gusto ko talaga yon kasi yung ventilation talaga, napaka-importante lalo na sa likod pag nagluluto ka, di ba? Pilipino tayo, di pwedeng hindi ka magluto ng mga dried fish dyan, tuyo, everything. So, yon, perfect yung spot doon. And if you want to cook here, pwede rin naman. At yung color ng property, I love the color kasi nga madali siyang ternohan. Madali kang maglagay ng mga decorations, mga accents. Very neutral yung color niya. Kaya pwede mo siyang i-adjust according to your liking. Ayun. So if you're interested and you would like to view this property, it is already open for viewing. And for sure, before pa na-post ito, nakita nyo naman yung reels ng property na ito. Kaya I know that meron na mga ibang kumontak sa amin. So if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. And a quick plug-in, if you're into activities naman, kung ayaw nyo naman mag-travel, the first and the only bouldering gym, Flow State Bouldering Gym, ito po kanilang details. Ayan. Is located just a quick drive din dito sa property na ito. So it's like 10 to 15 minute drive lang din siya going to Flow State Bouldering Gym, which is the first and the only climbing gym. So if you want to explore this sport, ayan po ang kanilang mga contact dito. At kung interested naman kayo, again, dito sa property natin, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Messenger. Meron kami iba't ibang messaging platforms kung wala po kayong Facebook. We have Viber, WhatsApp, our emails are there, our mobile numbers nandyan din po. And Instagram, follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. For sure, nakita nyo na yung mga reels natin before pa na-post itong video na ito. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. Follow me on TikTok and Alalu. I share the post din naman ng Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Same name po sa Instagram and Alalu because you can book your trippings sa TikTok, Instagram, and of course, you also have my number dyan sa description. There you have it. Kaya kung hindi ka pa naman nakasubscribe sa iyong nanonood dyan, please, if you like the video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're at Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.